What's going on, Al? Hey. Shh. Hi, little chubbers. How are you? Look at those little chubby legs. Oh. Now you're laughing. Did you have a good rest? Now you're being really funny. Did you have a good rest? You're a little performer, huh? Yes. Did you go to the library today? Yeah. This must have been a good day for you, huh? Someone's happy. Yes. Kicking those feet. There's your feet. What else do you want to say? I missed all your quiet talking. Now your big girl laughs. Oh. That's funny. Give a kiss. Say goodbye. Bye-bye. Give it a wave. Bye-bye. See you later.